but it's going to absorb it up. You remember the image of the starch granules up on the screen getting larger? That's what's happening. So in a matter of seconds now, we're back to thick. Add a little bit more milk. Break it up. Incorporating. We're going to do, so do you remember the ratio for not baked consistency with roux? Remember we told you how much does a pound of roux thicken?
1 gallon.
1 gallon, right? So a pound of roux will thicken a gallon of liquid. If we have half pound of butter and half pound of flour in here, how much milk can we put in to get to not baked consistency? A gallon. Right, you get it. But we're not going to get, we don't want it that thin. So now we're back to thick again. The starch molecules are swelling, the starch granules are swelling. We're doing this slowly. Now we're getting to, a lot of students think this looks like peanut butter frosting stage. Smells good, doesn't it? Peanut butter frosting is good. So you can see now we're getting thinned out a little bit. It's going to look more like a sauce. And you want to do these small additions until you get to about, so it runs evenly. You see how there's big lumps coming down there? It's not one thin stream. Saw that? It wants to be one thin stream going down. Once you have that, you know you're thin enough that you can just dump in a lot more milk at once. Okay, see how thin that is now? It's running. Am I explaining this pretty clearly so you can understand it? You would not really serve bechamel on anything. You would use that as a base to build anything off of. Right? So if I had, like I said, if I had Swiss cheese, it would be Mornay, something like that. Bechamel you wouldn't necessarily use by itself. Some chefs will bake fish in straight bechamel though. My mom sometimes uses this as a layer of sauce in lasagna, but normally she'll put Parmesan cheese or Romano cheese or both in there, not just by itself. It's not a very flavorful sauce by itself. Okay, now that we have it, how thin it is, pretty thin, now we can add more milk in here. More milk. And I know pretty much how much this is going to be. Alright, so this, we'll start with that, see how we do. And now we need a brave volunteer. And so what you're going to do is you're going to make sure you're constantly stirring this so that the protein in the roux doesn't fall to the bottom and scorch and burn. Like I did yesterday afternoon. I thought she was about to cry when she did my clothes. Like, why'd you burn it? I was like, oh gosh, that didn't hit the right spot. So real quick. So feel the bottom. See how smooth that is? In the middle. Now grab it like you mean it. Like this. Bam! There you go. So you see how smooth that is? You just want to keep it that way. Realizing that there's heat all over, mostly in the middle. So you're going to constantly be stirring that. You good? Okay, we're all rooting for you. While she's doing that, I'm going to go over the rest of the ingredients with you. You could